Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming exactly what is blocked and why. Check the account, device, or IP and note timestamps and error messages. Once done, capture screenshots and record any error codes so you have evidence. You should also verify your authentication methods, prepare 2 FA devices, and list recent actions that might have triggered automated blocks. This sets you up to act quickly and prevents wasted steps later. Make sure to keep all records accessible for support or appeal. You now try controlled unblocking actions. First, use the official recovery or password reset flow and follow prompts exactly. If that fails, clear browser cache, test from another device, or switch networks to rule out local issues. Once you've isolated the problem, contact support, include concise evidence, error codes, and the timeline you recorded. Be polite and structured because support responses are faster with clarity. Also, mention any automated tools or recent bulk action. You finish by following support instructions carefully and immediately verifying that the block is lifted by testing key functions. Once access returns, reset passwords, re-enable 2FA, and review logs to ensure no residual issues remain. If everything works, record the final confirmation and secure the account to prevent recurrence. If the block persists, escalate with the documented timeline and evidence you gathered. Keep your communication concise and include case numbers so agents can act without repeating steps.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.